Hello, I am Hosimin Tilagar, working as professor at the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Anna University, Chennai. For the past few months, we are observing an unprecedented crisis going on in the world and also in our country particularly. Of course, our government have taken number of steps in terms of testing, quarantining, hospitalization and providing treatment to the affected people. But as the days are passing, what we are seeing, the number of cases reported is increasing very speedily. And as we know, if the fire is not put out from the places of origin thoroughly, then it is going to spread further and further. It is not going to end. To this effect, we need to do the testing for both symptomatic and asymptomatic patients. At the same time, we also have to do the testing randomly at the different places where all these cases are reported. Further, we are seeing every day now the cases are reported are not few hundreds, it is becoming a few thousands, and that is an alarming thing. So to this effect, what we need is not just a few lakhs of testing kits, rather I feel it should be tens of lakhs of testing kits should be kept ready, so that throughout the country where the positive cases are reported more and more, it is to be supported with more and more testing kits. On the other hand, we need more testing centers, we need more hospitals, we need more doctors, nurses and all health professionals and workers. So the government shall consider to recruit more and more doctors, nurses, health workers to address this issue. On the other hand, we find number of private hospitals lying idle to the effect of treating the COVID-19 patients, mainly because they operate on profit motive. Now, here the government shall rope in all these private hospitals where huge number of doctors, nurses, health workers are working. Their services can be utilized with, of course, not for profit mode. And for that, of course, government shall provide financial aid to these hospitals so that their infrastructure also can be effectively utilized. Finally, to address all these points, what is required is more and adequate funding. And I, on behalf of the India March for Science, request the government to provide sufficient funds so that this issue will be effectively addressed. With a few words, I believe this COVID-19 crisis can be successfully overcome sooner or later. Thank you.